Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to review this Ringke screen protector for my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector from Ringke. It's their dual easy wing screen protector. I need to shout them out for actually sending this to me for a review. In this video, it's actually a review. I've been using the screen protector since I got the phone. In the US, it does not come with a screen protector on it, and I want to protect my beautiful device, so I put this screen protector on it. You can get the screen protector from Amazon for $9.99. It actually comes with two screen protectors, a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, and also an alcohol pad to clean off your phone. So let's get into it. Again, I just want to show you a couple of things I don't like about it, and then also give you my thoughts about the whole screen protector. But nice little packaging from Ringke. Again, if you want to pause the video, you can pause the video. Does give you instructions, but if you go to their website, it gives you even a video. So as I mentioned in the beginning, you get two screen protectors. Yes, one's on the phone already. You get a squeegee, you get the alcohol pad, and then the microfiber cloth. I don't think anybody really uses these because we have so many of them. All right, so I want to just tell you right away the two things I don't like about the screen protector. I don't know if my phone or if I can show this on the video, but it has like these little indentions in there. It's just like little lines that you can't get rid of. Look right there. I don't know if you see by the 8 and the 1, like little indentions. So is it noticeable? Not really, but it's there. And then also it is like a fingerprint magnet. I found myself wiping off my display a little bit more than I would do it if I didn't have the screen protector on it. So those are the two things I don't like about it, but let's talk about the things I do like. Look at it. It goes all the way to the top, and then at the bottom too. It wraps around to the back. As you can't even see that it's there. It wraps around to the back. So the things I do like about it, it gives you the protection from scratches. If you put coins in your pocket, a key in there and you forget about it, or even if you want to place it down and you don't have a case, or you do have a case, it will protect the screen from scratches. Now, will it protect it from drops? No, it's not a glass screen protector. But if you are prone to scratching your display, then this is a great pickup. The other thing I like about it is that it's $9.99 and it still protects your phone. Other things, look, I mean, it feels great. It doesn't slow down anything. Your touch response is there. Also, I'm gonna show you the pen. So if I create a note, the note capabilities are still there. I mean, it doesn't really hinder that in any which way. I mean, it feels great. Now, when you touch it, it does feel like you're touching plastic and not glass. I mean, that's kind of obvious, but overall, it's a great screen protector for your Note 20 Ultra. And I give you two in case you mess up one. The installation is pretty easy. Everything is numbered, so you start with 1, you pull off 1, you place 1 flat on the table. Then you find number 2. When you take 2, you just peel it back some, take the squeegee and move it up, and what it does is apply the screen protector to the phone. Do the same thing there, and then you take number 4 off, you work down the corners, and the screen protector is on your phone. And it works great with their cases. It worked great with my sub case. It works great with the Surreal case that I have. Any case that I have on it, it works great with it. It doesn't really feel like it wants to peel off or anything. So again, if you want to pick up the Ringke screen protector, I will have the links in the description. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're gonna pick it up or not, or if you have it already, let me know how you like it. Maybe my thoughts or my opinions are a little bit different than yours. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way you know I'm dropping a new video on the Note 20 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.